How to fix Messenger chat head not loading. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can fix Messenger chat heads or bubbles not showing up, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, what are chat heads on Messenger? So when someone sends you a messenger, usually you have that little pop-up over your screen, no matter whichever app you're using. You want that kind of pop-up to load up, but for some reason it's not loading up. Now, this only reason that this is not showing up is because a specific permission for the Messenger app is turned off, and that is the ability to display over other applications. When this permission is turned off, Messenger will not be able to show the bubble to you over other applications. Now, to enable this, all you have to do is first of all open Messenger. Just head over to a specific chat. It could just be any random generic chat over here. Once you do that, just tap on the I button of the top right hand side of the chat, and then here you'll just come to this page. Again, you want to tap on the three dots icon from the top right hand side. Here you'll find a section called open chat head. When you try to open in a chat head, it will ask you that it's going to lack a specific permission, and to enable this permission, here you'll find a section called go to settings. Just tap the go to settings option, and here you can see, as I said, appear on top, which is to draw over other applications. Look for the Messenger app and then just turn it on like this. Now, when you turn on this permission for Messenger app, you can just come back, and now you can tap the three dots, select open chat head, and it is going to be loaded up in the chat head, as you can see over here. Now, next time whenever you receive a message on Messenger, it's going to show up in this type of bubbles. This is how you can fix Messenger chat heads not showing up. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.